Multi-starrer movies have been a hit with audiences since the early days of cinema. Recent successes like Rajneeti, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara and Dil Dhadakne Do prove that multi-starrer Bollywood films still draw crowds to the box office. These movies feature a bunch of famous actors sharing the screen, bringing diverse characters and stories to life. From classic hits to modern blockbusters, Bollywood has a long history of delivering memorable multi-starrer flicks that keep fans coming back for more. Here's a rundown of some of the most famous ones. Number 10. Rajneeti. Released in 2010, is a Bollywood movie about politics, directed by Prakash Jha. It's like a spicy drama filled with suspense and secrets. The film features popular actors like Ajay Devgan, Nana Patekar, Ranbir Kapoor, Katrina Kaif, Arjun Rampal and Manoj Bajpayee. Think of it as a roller coaster ride through the ups and downs of political power struggles within a family. एक तरफ है सच्चाई और दूसरी तरफ है झूठ. It's not just any movie. It's inspired by the famous Indian epic Mahabharata. You'll see similarities in the story and characters, but with a modern twist. The audience loved it, making it a big hit at the box office. So if you are into thrilling dramas with a political twist, this one's a must-watch.
आपने शायद न सुना न देखा कि आजाद नगर के लोगों ने आपके कैंडिडेट को रिजेक्ट कर दिया ऐलान के साथ ही। हम लीडर है दलित और पिछड़ों के और लोग हम ही को सपोर्ट करेंगे।
Number 9. Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. This film brought together a stellar cast including Farhan Akhtar, Hrithik Roshan, Katrina Kaif, Abhay Deol, Kalki Koechlin and Ariadna Cabrol. Despite tackling weighty themes like marriage, love and work, the movie never feels dull, thanks to its hilarious comedy and light-hearted atmosphere. ये फिल्म दोस्ती, प्यार और जिंदगी का सच्चा मतलब समझाने की कोशिश करती है. The plot follows three friends who embark on a road trip in Spain before one of them ties the knot. Along the journey, they confront their fears, rediscover themselves, and learn the true meaning of friendship and life. Through picturesque landscapes and heartwarming moments, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara delivers a message that resonates with audiences of all ages.
शादी के बाद तुम कहाँ ऐसी बॉयज ट्रिप पे जाना चाहोगे?
Number 8. Dil Dhadakne Do. A Bollywood movie from 2015 is all about family drama and laughter. Directed by Zoya Akhtar, it brings together a bunch of amazing actors like Anil Kapoor, Shefali Shah, Priyanka Chopra, Ranveer Singh, Anushka Sharma and Farhan Akhtar. The story revolves around a big, loud Punjabi family as they embark on a cruise ship. एक ऐसे परिवार की कहानी जो जिंदगी से भरी है, जिसमें खुशियां, मुश्किलें और प्यार सब कुछ है. The Mehras, a wealthy family, seem perfect from the outside, but inside they are dealing with all sorts of issues. Kabir, played by Ranveer Singh, wants to follow his passion for flying planes but is under pressure from his father Kamal, Anil Kapoor, to take over the family business. Meanwhile, Aisha, Priyanka Chopra, struggles with her failing marriage to Manav, Rahul Bose. Amidst all this, the cruise becomes a melting pot of emotions, secrets and revelations, ultimately leading to a journey of self-discovery and acceptance for each family member.
इसकी शादी पक्की हो गई है। To her? What?
Number 7. Kaante. Kaante, a Bollywood movie from 2002, is all about action and robbery. It's packed with some big names in the Indian film industry like Amitabh Bachchan, Sanjay Dutt, Sunil Shetty and others. Imagine a gang of these cool actors coming together for a thrilling heist. Plus, there are Mahesh Manjrekar, Lucky Ali, Kumar Gaurav, Namrata Singh Gujral, Rati Agnihotri, Malaika Arora Khan and Isha Kopikar adding their spice to the mix. It's like a star-studded extravaganza on screen. And let's not forget the stylish direction of Sanjay Gupta, which got everyone talking. With its unique style and gripping plot, Kaante elevated Gupta to the ranks of exceptional filmmakers. The story revolves around a group of criminals planning a major heist. But things don't go as smoothly as planned. Betrayals, unexpected twists keep the audience on the edge of their seats. However, in the end, justice prevails, leaving viewers satisfied yet craving more action-packed drama.
तेरा गेम बजा डालूंगा।
तो पहले उसका बजाना। मैं तो औरत के लिए गंदा छोड़ नहीं सकता, बेवकूफी है।
Number 6. Junkie. It is a funny and touching movie from 2023, made in India and directed by Rajkumar Hirani. It's about 4 pals from a village in Punjab who all dream of going to England. But there's a big problem. They don't have visas or tickets. Hardy Singh Dhillon, played by Shah Rukh Khan, a retired soldier who promises to help them reach their dream destination. The film follows their hilarious and heartwarming journey, dealing with challenges at borders, cherishing their friendships, and feeling homesick along the way. It also shows how love conquers all.
100 साल राज करके गए अंग्रेज हम जब ये यहाँ आए थे हमने तो नहीं इनसे पूछा था कि भाई हिंदी आती है क्या?
Number 5. Brahmastra Part 1 Shiva. It is a movie that came out in 2022, all about this guy named Shiva who's got some serious powers. Think of it like a mix of ancient myths and modern action. Shiva's this orphan musician, but he's not your average guy because he can control fire with his mind. So imagine, he finds out he's this super powerful weapon called an Astra. His job? To stop this ultimate weapon, the Brahmastra, from getting into the wrong hands. And trust me, those hands are really wrong. It's like a big battle between good and evil, with Shiva caught right in the middle. The movie's got some big stars like Amitabh Bachchan, Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt. And it's just the start of the whole series called Astraverse. ये फिल्म हमारे पुराने हिंदुस्तान की कहानियों को एक नई स्टाइल में दिखाती है।
कुछ चल रहा है इस दुनिया में ईशा, कुछ पुरानी शक्तियां हैं और उनके कुछ रक्षक हैं।
Number 4. Houseful 4. A 2019 Indian film is a wild ride filled with laughs and action. Directed by Farhad Samji and produced by Nadia Advala Grandson Entertainment and Fox Star Studios, it's the 4th movie in the Houseful series. Featuring big names like Akshay Kumar, Ritesh Deshmukh, Bobby Deol, Kriti Sanon, Pooja Hegde and Kriti Kharbanda, it's a star-studded affair. The story takes us through 600 years from 1419 to 2019, where 3 brothers, Harry, Max and Roy, find themselves tangled in a hilarious mess. As they say, love knows no bounds, even across lifetimes. When Harry, a barber, loses £5 million belonging to a don named Michael, their journey begins. Forced to repay the debt, they end up engaged to 3 sisters, Pooja, Neha and Kriti, daughters of the wealthy Manraj Thakral. But fate takes them to Sitamgarh, where they discover their past lives. Akhri Pasta, a bellboy, recognizes them as reincarnated souls from 1419, adding a whole new layer of chaos to their lives.
तू नर्तकी है, तू भांड है, हाँ और तू गधे की है।
Number 3. It's a comedy film that's all about chaos and laughter. The story revolves around 2 gangsters, Uday and Majnu, who want to get their sister married to a good guy to leave their criminal life behind. But things get hilarious when they try to find the perfect groom. Alongside, there's a love story brewing between Dr. Akshay and Sanjana, adding more fun to the mix. With a star-studded cast including Akshay Kumar, Katrina Kaif, Anil Kapoor and Nana Patekar, the movie is packed with entertaining performances. And in the end, everything falls into place with a lot of laughs and a dose of heartwarming moments. Welcome is a roller coaster of comedy and emotions that will keep you entertained throughout.
अच्छा करोड़ और वो भी 4। तेरा बाप यहाँ छोड़कर गया था कि तेरी माँ?
Number 2. Golmaal Fun Unlimited. A movie from 2006 that's all about comedy and craziness. It's like a roller coaster ride of laughs. The movie stars Ajay Devgan, Arshad Varsi, Sharman Joshi and Tushar Kapoor among others. ये सब मिलकर स्क्रीन पे अपना अपना जलवा दिखाते हैं। हंसते हंसते पेट दुख जाएगा। The plot revolves around 4 friends who get into hilarious situations while trying to make easy money. Their antics and schemes lead to a lot of confusion and laughter. But amidst all the chaos, there's a message about the importance of friendship and honesty. Towards the end, everything gets resolved in a funny yet heartwarming way. You'll be left with a big smile on your face, wanting to watch it all over again.
तूने भाई को बताया नहीं क्या कि भाई संजय दत्त लगता है यार, वही बॉडी, वही फेस कट, वास्तव का टीका.
Number 1. Salami Ishq. It is a Bollywood movie from 2007, full of love stories that interconnect in surprising ways. It's like a big web of love where every character's story is intertwined with another's. The film boasts a star-studded cast including big names like Salman Khan, Priyanka Chopra, Anil Kapoor and Juhi Chawla. The plot revolves around various couples dealing with the complexities of love and relationships, showcasing different forms of love from new romances to long-lasting marriages. Each storyline brings its own drama, comedy and emotions, making it a roller coaster ride of feelings. But in the end, despite all the ups and downs, love triumphs, teaching us that it's the most powerful force in the world.
बोल क्या रही हैं आप?
May late Jakey. May late Jakey.
हाँ, आप लेट जाएंगे.
And there you have it, our roundup of the 10 multi-starrer Bollywood movies that have entertained audiences for years. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Tell us what you would want to see next. Thanks for watching.